Hello everyone, happy Saturday. This is Sybil and I am here to do a unboxing of the Simon Says Stamp monthly kit. I went ahead and ordered this one. I am not a member of the subscription kit. I just purchase them when I see them if it's one that I particularly like. And so this was one of them. I've taken everything out of the package so it wouldn't be so noisy, and this arrived yesterday. But I did purchase something besides this kit, and I picked up this stamp. It is John T. Luca from La La Lands, and it says enjoy the journey, and he is so cute. I have two sons and they're grown, they're adults, but I thought he would be really cute on a card for one of them or for both of them. So that's what I got. Now I'll jump into the kit. I will say that when I took everything out of the kit, this lid was off this ink. So I got ink on my mat, but I washed it off. And there's some ink got on one of the cards in here. So I'm not sure if it just came off when I took everything out. I didn't like throw it out, you know, but it might have just popped off maybe during transit. I don't know. But anyway, so you get two inks included. This is Wisteria and this is Hollyhock. Both of them are beautiful. Of course, you get the little sucker and a Nouveau shimmer pen, so that's really nice, and I love these. This is the glitter gloss, so this is the clear one, and I did a review on these pens several videos back, so I really like those. And then you get little pom-poms, and I'm going to show you on this first stamp set. You can put that little pom-pom on that little rabbit's bum on for his little tail. Isn't that cute? And so this stamp set, I'm trying to find a name for it. There it is, Showers and Flowers. And I think the boots and the umbrellas is what won me over for this kit. And of course you can purchase the items separately, the stamp set separately. But look at this little duck. So adorable. I'm from Oregon originally. Well, I'm from Georgia originally, but then my family moved out to the Northwest, and my husband and I married, moved to Oregon, and our kids were born there, and so I'm an Oregon duck. So look at that cute little duck. He's got boots on, he's splashing in the puddle, and he's got an umbrella there, and it says, "You make me hoppy," which would go with that little bunny rabbit. Thanks. And then the word "you," so you could you could mask off the S there. So you could say, "Thanks for always being so delightful, and I love you. Hey there, hop stuff." You make the rainy days brighter. And then I love these boots, and they've planted flowers in them. Can you see that there? So, so cute. And it says, "Your kindness is inspiring." Really cute. You make the rainy days brighter. So very cute. And there's a carrot and some little hearts here and there and some little raindrops. So there's that one. And then on this stamp set, which is called Choose Joy, you get like this border, long border stamp there, little plaid stamp. So you could make your own backgrounds. You could do, you know, your plaid border running that away and then crisscross it. You could do these in a row. Really, really cute. You got some flowers, some leaves. There's those cute little boots again, rain boots. And the sentiments are, "You bring sunshine to a gloomy day, bloom where you're planted, choose joy, forever friend, and happy." So really, really cute. And then in the kit you get 3 envelopes, and I think, yep, there's where some of the ink got on there and I wiped it off, but that's not a big deal, you know. So I love that wood grain envelope. Can you see that? Really, really pretty. And these two are the shimmer. And then they give you, let's see, 1, 3, I think, yep, 3 card bases in cream color. And you get this paper pad, which is so, so pretty. Look at this. How cute. Bicycles, mason jars with flowers. Planting a seed is believing in tomorrow. A little flower truck. Look at all the adorable boots. Super cute. And then you've got this one, so they're double-sided. All those little tags with flowers. Little bunnies. Plaid. Window, I think that's, is it? Let's see, I'm looking at the wrong way. Yep. Mason jars and like a window planter. Really pretty paper. So there's that, and then you get the sticker sheet. Again, the boots are getting me. Hello Spring. Now I will say, I've mentioned this before, I love like the birds singing and the flowers blooming and all the prettiness and the sunshine. I love that about spring, but it is the absolute worst time for my allergies. It is so bad that I cannot wait for spring to get over and summer to be ushered in. I know that sounds bad, but I mean, it's bad. Yeah, and I'm allergic to oak trees, and I've said this before, but we have 11 oak trees on our property. Our neighbor has one, so there's 12 right in our backyard, right next to the windows, and the pollen is just a killer for me. But anyway, that was a sidebar note, but beautiful, beautiful stickers here. And then they give you their little inspiration sheet. Look at those gorgeous cards. I love them. And see, there's that. Oh, maybe it's the paper. I was going to say there's that plaid, because you can do that with that little plaid stamp. Make your own little background there. Super cute. So they give you some paper, different shades of green, soft pink, a white, and a kind of like a craft or maybe like a sand colored paper. So that is the salmon, the salmon? That is the Simon Says Stamp Kit monthly subscription. Really, really nice. Love these stamp sets. Gonna have a lot of fun with them. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And I'm gonna try to be back to do a favorites video. If I don't get that uploaded today, I will try to film it and then post it tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed and wonderful weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.